Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's nail art video, I'm going to be trying out the water spotting technique with water and hairspray to create this beach nail art. So on my index and middle nails, I'm going to be doing an ocean theme. So I'm going to start off with 2 coats of Glisten and Glow's Bungee Jump in the Bahamas, which is a nice teal cream polish. Then I'm going to use some Edge Perfection Easy Peel Polish Barrier around my nail to make cleanup for the next step a lot easier. And I'm going to create a little bit of a gradient, so I'm taking a little piece of a makeup sponge and applying Salon Perfect's Life is Bluetiful to it, and then I'm going to dab that onto the lower half of my nail. To create the white little waves on top of the water, I'm going to do the water spotting technique with Butter London's Bling, which is a pearly white shimmery polish. And I'm also going to be using a spray hairspray and a cup full of room temperature water. I dropped about 4 to 5 drops of the polish onto the surface of the water and let it spread out. And then from about 10 to 12 inches away, I sprayed a little bit of that hairspray onto the water to create those spots in the polish. And this was the first time I tried out this technique, so I also tested it with a few other products. I tried a spray mouthwash, some perfume, and this hairspray, and they all worked in that they created the spots in the polish. So I think what's more important than the actual type of product you're using is the type of spray that the bottle produces. So I found that at least the mouthwash and perfumes that I used for this test, it created too much of a concentrated spray and I was left with really large spots. Whereas the hairspray created a really fine mist, and that gave me a pretty even distribution of small spots in the polish. And then I just picked a spot that I liked and I dipped my finger in the water and I waited a few minutes to let the polish set, and you can blow on the surface of the water to help that set faster. And then I took a Q-tip to clean up the excess polish on the surface of the water before I pulled my finger out. And I must have dipped my finger a little bit off where I wanted it to, so I got an area that didn't have any spots. So I cheated a little bit and I took a brush dipped in some acetone and I kind of created a few extra spots in some of those areas that had a lot of the white polish. Then I just removed the Edge Perfection and I cleaned up any excess polish around my nail with a brush dipped in some acetone. On my other 2 nails, I'm going to do like a sandy theme, so I'm starting with 2 coats of Nails Ink Straight to My Head, which is a taupe holographic polish. And on my ring fingernail, I'm going to add a cute little crab as a little accent using What's Up Nails B056 Coasting to the Sea stamping plate, and I'm going to stamp that with What's Up Nails Neither Noir, which is a black stamping polish. And I'll do some reverse stamping to fill in the little guy, starting off with a white polish to fill in his eyes, and then I'm going to use this sparkly red polish from All Heart called Remember Me to fill in the rest of the crab. Then I just stamped the little guy in the bottom corner of my ring fingernail and I finished off this design with a layer of a fast drying top coat. And here is the finished water spotted beach nail art design. And this was my first time trying out the water spotted technique and I thought it was really cool, but it did take a lot of tries. And I want to know if you guys have ever tried out this water spotted technique and what you used to make it work. So let me know in the comments below. But anyways, that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you're new to my channel, I do swatches, reviews, and nail art tutorials. So be sure to subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up. But anyways, that's all for today and I will see you guys next time. Bye!